Hey, I'm Michael Stewart, the owner of Security Solutions. I want to do another unboxing video for Russound's AVA 3.1. This is a great solution. It's a mini AVR, but when you're trying to add quality sound to your television, this is a great product for it. So we're going to do a little unboxing on it, show you what's in it, show how it can help you, and obviously how it can help your end user. All right, so let's do a real quick unboxing of what's actually in the box for the AVA 3.1, the mini AVR. I think the main thing that you're gonna see is obviously the size. You know, behind a lot of these televisions, you need something that's really compact. The great part about this is you have that. I mean, size of a hand roughly on what that is. It sits nicely behind the television. And you see right here, you've got your ARC port that's going to go straight from your television into this unit. So the nice part about that is it's just incredibly simple. It's just that one HDMI cable from the TV's ARC port into the AVA, no receiver clutter, no rack required, and it's just one remote. So it's the television remote. So that's huge for you. So it eliminates a lot of that clutter that's going to go or potentially could go into a rack that would be needed. And this allows you to do that in a very simplistic format. So very small, but very powerful. Again, just using that one ARC port, and it's going to provide you that quality 3.1 sound. And again, this tags nicely with the Russound 3.0 Cinema Bar, which we'll kind of go over in another video. But those two pieces allow you to really get quality sound for your end user that's looking for that for movies or sports or whatever they're going to use that for. But again, in a very small, compact form, again, with that one HDMI port that's going to be used for ARC, it's a really quality piece that you need to start adding to your arsenal. All right, so in closing, if you're looking for better TV sound without the complexity of an AVR, the AVA 3.1 is a great solution for you, especially when paired with our Cinema Bar. This is going to allow you to give your end users that high quality sound in a very low or very small compact form factor. Looking for more information on this, please look up our website at ssireps.com or russound.com for more information. Thanks.